Assembling your water rocket is really simple. First, find your small black O-ring and put it inside the white screw cap to help create the perfect seal. Then you can push in the black rubber nozzle. Make sure it's completely secure and the ridges are clicked in. Next, insert your fins, red, black or white, in the 3 slots on the white cap. Now is the time to part fill your recycled plastic carbonated bottle with water. It must be a carbonated drinks bottle. Fill it about 1/4 full, then you can screw the white cap onto the bottle. Once this is complete, you can push the brass valve into the black rubber nozzle. It can be easier to remove one of the fins to do this, as we have in this video. It's a tight fit to withstand the pressure, so push hard. Now you are ready to attach your pump to the other end of the yellow tubing and make ready for countdown. Start pumping and wait for that moment. We have liftoff.